bird circle.
Dang, look at this. This is huge. I want it.
Bird.
Yeah.
Aren't you gonna join the bird circle?
No, I'm trying to look at this over here.
You're not gonna fly around in circles with the rest of the birds?
No, I'm a flightless bird.
Oh, like a ostrich?
Or an ostrich. Probably closer to an ostrich than a penguin. That is weird though.
Do pangolins fly?
Pangolins are not birds.
What are they?
Pangolins?
Yeah.
They're like
Are they like a
hedgehogs,
panda?
kind of.
Oh, hedgehog cute.
I guess armadillo's probably a closer comparison.
I think they're taking off. No, they're not circling anymore.
No, they are. They're just doing
Oh,
it
they're doing it
differently.
like over there.
They just be flying, yo.
You think they're concerned about our encroachment into their
Maybe.
relative airspace?
Man, the Wrigley smells so good. I wish we could eat there.
I mean, we could.
Yeah.
Barely, but
Do you mean like now?
yeah.
Well,
Barely and with consequences.
yeah. Consequences of making Dave sell our stuff faster.
See, the thing is, he can list it as fast as he wants, but they gotta buy it, you know?
I know. Didn't he sell something already?
He did sell Zelda, the Phantom Hourglass for $50.
Cool.
I don't know how long it takes for that to reach him or anything. Do you?
I mean, I'll say hello. Hello, donkey. Hello, other donkey. Hello, third donkey. You guys seem about as friendly as the cows were. It looks like you've chewed a hole through this fence. I'm gonna...
This is just like a regular person's house, and they got 3 donkeys in the backyard.
It's pretty cool. You gotta come a little closer. I don't want you in the street. No, this is pretty cool. Hey, baby. I figured you might get up. How you doing? You have a good Halloween? Did you say hi to a bunch of people? I bet you did. Pretty cute. Will you do that? No. Meow. Cats are friendly. There's a car. Be careful. Big cat. What do you want? Just a Alright, enough. Good cat. Nice cat in there. Figured you might follow us for a while. Stop trying to walk on the road, Jimmy.
Or directly in front of my feet.
Yeah, that's so nice.
cat.
Telling you, do you want that for your birthday? You want one of these for your birthday? I can buy you one. It's $90.
And I thought it was cool as